Welcome to BellyBreath. This meditation is your invitation to step away from the chaos of daily life and turn inward to a space of peace, stillness, and clarity. The mind is often flooded with endless thoughts, worries, and distractions. But within you lies the power to find deep calm and serenity. Let's begin by settling into a comfortable position. Whether you're sitting cross-legged on a cushion, resting in a cozy chair, or lying down, find what feels best for you. Allow your hands to rest gently in your lap or by your sides. Gently close your eyes. Now, take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. With each inhale, invite a sense of peace into your body. With each exhale, release any tension, stress, or heaviness you may be carrying. Let your breath be your anchor, steady and soothing. Imagine it flowing in like a soft wave, washing away any mental clutter, leaving behind only stillness and ease. Now, gently bring your awareness to your body. Starting from the crown of your head, slowly scan down through your body, noticing any areas of tightness or discomfort. With each exhale, allow these areas to soften and relax. Imagine tension dissolving, like mist fading into the morning light. As thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them without judgment. Then, let them drift away like leaves floating down a gentle stream. Return your focus to the rhythm of your breath, constant, grounding, and calm. Let's invite a feeling of warmth and peace by picturing a place that makes you feel truly at ease. Maybe it's a quiet beach, the soothing sounds of waves lapping at the shore. Or a peaceful forest where sunlight filters through the trees. Feel yourself immersed in this space, embraced by its tranquility. Now, choose a simple, positive affirmation to hold in your heart. It could be, I am calm and centered. I release all that no longer serves me. I am safe. I am enough. I am at peace. Repeat this silently to yourself with each inhale and exhale, allowing the words to settle deep within. Take this moment to reflect on something you're grateful for. It could be the warmth of the sun, the laughter of a loved one, or simply the gift of this peaceful moment. Let gratitude fill you like a soft, golden light, expanding in your heart. Slowly, bring your awareness back to your breath, back to this space. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, inviting movement back into your body. Stretch in any way that feels good. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace with you into your day, knowing that you can always return to this calm, steady place within. If this meditation brought you comfort, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Wishing you deep peace and ease. Until next time, breathe deeply and be well.